What's going on, YouTube? We back here again today. Back with your boy Super Rich. Been missing in action for a little bit, you know what I mean? But you know, it is what it is. You know, I got a life. I got a regular job that I work, and then I do little side things. So yeah, I'll update y'all when I can. I try to be as consistent as I can be, but you know, sometimes it just don't work out like that. But I just want to do a little update on the Evo. You know, a little update on life. I mean, if you can see the shirt. Can y'all see it? Yeah, so your boy is going to be a dad this year too. So that's another reason why, you know, your boys have been ripping and running everywhere. But, you know, we back on the Evo though. So, I think last video I uploaded was when I was racing my boy. What did I do since then? Oh yeah, I got the Evo 9 turbo on. I got some 13 or 1200 cc injectors, FIC, whichever one. I got that. No, is it that or the 1050? I have to look it up. You know what I mean? I forgot. It's been a while since I bought them. And then I got a 340 fuel pump in, a new intake, like an actual intake, not just the cone filter this time. Then I got a retune. So let's get out, let's go check out the car. Oh yeah, for my Evo people, y'all gonna have to let me know what the hell going on. So I don't know, I've been hearing like little ticking noise coming from the heads. I even use like a little stethoscope. It ain't the bottom end. Put my thing down there, revved it up. It ain't knocking. It's just like a little tick. But it's weird because the tick is only like, the tick only happens whenever like you're first getting on the gas a little bit, but when you get in the higher RPMs, the tick goes away. So I'm like, is it my lifters? So I swapped out to GSC zero tick lifters. For them to be zero tick, they be freaking ticking like an MF'er. So let's check out the whip. Oh, she dirty as hell right now. Yeah, all that just happened when I drove up in here. Yeah, man, she's still looking fire though. Oh, I got my little side skirts on now too. Make it look a little bit more aggressive. Pop this hood for y'all. Y'all can see. Got a little carbon fiber right here now. And y'all, I think y'all already seen the intake, all that. I got this big ass goddamn silicone intake. I got an Evo 10 blow-off valve because the other one was leaking. I mean, other than that, that's it. Still don't got the cams in. I think I'm gonna do valve springs and stuff like that whenever I do the cam, so kind of holding off on it. Did you hear it? Like, that's the normal sound, right? That's normal. But listen to this. These still sound normal. That's just my injector. But when it's like in here, you hear like this little weird tick. Ah, it ain't doing it now. Alright, well that's just injector tick right there, so I don't know, it's not doing it. I'm thinking it might be like maybe my downpipe gasket or the turbo manifold gasket. Something's not right. But you know, I got some what is it, VR1 oil I'm gonna be dropping in here, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my timing belt because you know it's about that time to do that. Damn, man, my bit looking dirty as hell right now. But yeah, with the retune, oh yeah, and I got the E. I got E85 too. There's my little sensor right down there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's right there. E85 too. I think right now I'm only on like E40 right now. So on pump gas, it was like 340, 350. But that's real conservative. And then on E, it was only at right around like 410, 420 full horsepower. Yeah, I mean, not bad, but that's full E. But I found out from my friend, he was like, you know what, Rich? You should have just told your tuner that you're only gonna do E50. If you would just say you're only gonna do E50, then apparently he could have, you know, he could have stretched it out more because, you know, you got more injector duty cycle. I don't know all this, man. I'm still new to the Evo game. Like, I always loved Evos, but I'm still new to, you know, modding them and all that good stuff. But yeah, you know, I think I'm gonna end up getting some bigger injectors whenever I get the cams anyway. Try to get it up to like 450, 470, and probably just keep it there for a while. Cause I'm not even gonna lie, man. People don't say it, but this horsepower thing is a issue. You get used to it and you keep wanting more and more and more and more, and that's how you keep breaking shit. And I don't want to be breaking nothing, so I think I just need to get to a point where it's like, all right, the car is good, and just leave it there. And I'm saying that right now, but it probably ain't gonna happen. But yeah, man, so this is like a little update. I want to take y'all on a little drive. Like, we out here in the goddamn boonies. I got a little place down the street that I go. Got like some nice turns and shit. And yeah, that's what I want to do. So we shall see. Y'all want to hear it again now? Sound like a goddamn beast. Uh-oh. Old lady pulled up on me. Don't worry, old lady. I'm gonna let you get your piece. I'm gonna get up out of here. Oh. Oh yeah, it pushes on that damn foot. Get where it. Yeah, when I close the hood, it pushes on that intercooler pipe, which makes it sound like the bitch gonna stall, but she ain't gonna stall. Seatbelts on. Get on the road. Hopefully nobody go the same way I go, so I can actually get on it. Well, that's screwed. Two people going. let them get a little space up there.